This is the Novus 18-inch rear tine tiller NV18DRTG. This rear tine tiller is perfect for homeowners with large gardens seeking power and versatility. Powered by a 212cc gas engine. This tiller transforms any tough ground into perfect planting soil. Unlike belt or chain systems, this tiller utilizes a full gear drive transmission, meaning less maintenance, a longer lifespan, and improved efficiency and reliability. With an 18-inch width and 10-inch depth, this tiller offers efficient coverage and deeper soil cultivation. Equipped with 2 forward and 1 reverse speeds, independently controlled from time rotation, and the adjustable handlebar, that can be easily operated. With powerful performance, this tiller is perfect for breaking new soil or maintaining an existing plot. Equipped with dual direction tines, it easily switches between forward and counter-rotating directions with a lever pull. Durable 13 inches never flat wheels save time and eliminate tire maintenance. The Novus 18-inch rear tine tiller combines power, versatility, efficiency and durability to tackle any soil condition and tailor to your garden's needs. The NV18DRTG is the ideal tiller.